think pink.
I can't wait to get away. Me pulling in the fish and you pulling another assignment, Inspector.
But won't we be a bit crowded in that small boat, sir?
No, because you'll be 4,000 miles away, bringing back the only witness to a $50 million diamond robbery. Pick him up in New York and return him safely to California.
But it is a pity, no? I am a master fisherman who can land the big one even with my eyes closed. Yes, I will miss him too, my pink rookie. Strange, he left without saying goodbye. We have arrived for the witness.
Nobody's here. Not even me. This is a recording. A beep.
Oh, in that case, we shall return tomorrow.
That beep sounded phony to me.
Rookie, that beep sounded funny to me. Stand back. I shall karate chop the door.
Oh, please, boss baby. Can I do it now? Can I?
Yes, Lisa. Since there's no good witness like a dead witness, you may do it.
There's no sign of the witness, Inspector.
He must be here.
Well, I'm not. So beat it.
Aha! He is in the bedroom. Mind you, a teensy-weensy bedroom. Rookie, take note. I am thoroughly searching this strange little bedroom, and have found nothing. Let's go.
Your head, Inspector.
And now it is my head, you ridiculous rookie. I am looking for the witness.
Forget it. I'm not going outside.
Ha! He is closer than I think. He can run, but he cannot hide.
I was hiding just fine until you two barged in. Those diamond crooks are out to get me.
But you are merely a parrot. They are looking for a witness to a dastardly crime.
Inspector, the parrot is the witness.
Rookie, the parrot is the witness.
Delivery!
It's the old pizza man at the door trick. I'm dead.
Kentucky Farms chicken, baby.
Yes, you are dead wrong, my panicky little Polly.
Oh, that could have been me. I'm getting out of here, and now. Oh.
He says he has a bun. Deliveries are made at the door, my good fellow. Come around.
I think this one should be made at the window.
Oh, thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Keep your thanks, my fine feathered witness. Justice is our only reward. California, here we come. The commissioner will be pleased, no? Huh?
Now you won't get me!
Give up, birds. There's no escape from in there. So much for your witless witness.
My career ruined! That ungrateful four-flusher! Huh?
Say, Inspector, check out the view.
Oh, great! Here comes the flying Melendez!
Polly! 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 Want a cracker? You are safe again! Secure in the arms of the law!
Not so fast, Inspector. Weasel, fetch.
Wait a minute, baby. Wait a second, baby.
Take note, rookie! An officer of the law is always prepared! Geronimo! My keen sense of direction will find a safe passage to Southern California.
Say, Inspector, how about, this route?
Rookie, I have found just the right route.
Hey, guys, how about I fly ahead and meet you at the bottom of the canyon?
No way, pal. We started together, we finished together. Right, Inspector?
I can tell by your face you are surprised by my marvelous disguise. If those gangsters appear again, they will mistake me for the witness and capture him, that is me, et voila! I will have saved the day. Has no taste for French food.
Inspector, our witness is gone. Good thing this is molting season.
Now we will find our fine feathered friend.
At this rate, all we'll find is a naked parrot.
Yippee-doo!
Once again, you are saved, my near-naked Polly friend.
Those must be the diamonds from the robbery.
I knew all along where those crooks stashed the stones, and now, they're mine! All mine!
You are wrong, Stoolie. Not all. In fact, not any.
Wait a second, baby.
Rookie, has your brain lost its mind?
Wait a second, baby. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Hey, hey.
I taught him that trick.
That's how it's going.
I think we can, I think we can, I think we can. That was exhilarating, no? Not again!
Inspector, you're supposed to be delivering a witness.
And so we have, Commissioner.
Airmail.
Hey, come back here with my hooks.
Like I said, Commissioner, I, the inspector, am a master fisherman. Huh?
Snow cones, get your delicious snow cones, only 25 cents. Bon appetit! Uh-oh, running low on ice. Oh, terrific. I gotta get a new ice machine. This thing is on its last legs.
Get your soft serve ice cream. It's delicious soft serve ice cream. Soft serve ice cream here.
Hey, Bub, move your truck.
Hey, chill, pal. Have a cone on me, okay?
I will not chill. This is my spot.
Wrong tense. It was your spot.
Hey, wait a minute. Stop. Whoa.
With him out of the way, I'll be raking in the cold cash. Ice cream! Get your ice cream! Only 25 cents!
Snow cones, low-fat ice at a new low price, 20 cents.
I want
Yeah, soft ice cream here! 10 cents!
Free set of steak knives with every snow cone. Never needs sharpening. That's right, folks. You can make important calls from your very own snow cone phone. I guess he wins. The way you're acting up, it's no wonder I'm hurting for business. No stupid machine's gonna get the best of me. Yeah. Then again, I have been wrong before. Hey, snow! I love snow! Voila! I'm a regular Michelangelo! And I don't mean the turtle. Huh? But enough fun and games. I need to slice and dice some ice.
Ooh, thank you very much.
Whoa! Are you kidding me? It's alive! I'm gonna call you Slusho! Wait a minute. Brainstorm coming. Yes! I think it just might work.
Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun to eat snow cones on a red hot summer's day.
Yes! Oh, Slusho, I love ya!
Step aside, Pops. I need an instant family, and I need it now! Okay, fine. Get out of here. Hey, Sub-Zero Head, get over here.
Oh, sure, mister.
This is my dear, sweet family who don't know where their next meal is coming from thanks to you.
Me?
Yeah, all because you broke your contract, don't you remember?
Oh, how could I? I've just got slush for brains.
Yeah, isn't that your signature at the bottom here?
Sure, maybe. What's a signature?
Okay, I'll tell you what. You just sign it again and we'll call it even. Hey, it's official now, tall, white, and chilly. This is a binding lifetime agreement. You're working for me now.
Get your delicious ice cream. A sweet treat that can't be beat. You say this wool stuff is a summer fabric?
Oh, absolutely. You just keep pushing those cones, slush face. And for Pete's sake, quit melting all over the sidewalk. You want somebody to slip and sue me?
Slusho, my man. How come you're working for old Chin Face?
Ooh, I've got a lifetime contract. And I'm helping out his family.
He doesn't have a family, unless you count the cockroaches in his kitchen. Say, you better get out of the sun, pal.
Hold it! He's still on duty, and soggy or not, he sells cones.
But he's melting!
Get back, Panther, or the big guy gets it. I know what you're thinking. You're wondering if it's set on cool or hot. What you gotta ask yourself is, do you feel lucky? We'll do you pink.
Just put the blow dryer down. This isn't over yet. I'll be back. This ought to lure him away. So, you like blizzards in front of a frosty fridge on cold winter nights, and you're a Virgo.
Oh, you've gone and exploded her. Oh.
Speak to me, Slusho! Speak to me! Don't worry, Slush Buddy. I'll refreeze you.
Yeah, and I'll steal him back when he does.
Hey, it worked! Huh? Let's face it, it's hopeless. South Polar Dare. That's it. I'll save you, Slusho. The South Pole. Here I come.
South Pole, here we come!
Gee, a guy could get cramps in here. Ah, now this is more like it.
We did it. You're back.
Hey, take my bread and butter, will ya?
Bread and butter? I'm made of water. What would my old pink pal do? Aha! Boss, head for that cloud cover. We can lose him in there. And they call me gullible.
Good thinking, Slusho.
I learned from the best.
Oh, get away from me, you goat!
You know, he told me he hated the movie Heidi. You don't feel sorry for him, do you?
No, for me. How can I go back to the beach if I'm going to melt?
We'll think of something. I'm shaking like a bowl of gelatin. Wait a minute, kid. I think I got another brainstorm. One at a time, folks. One at a time.
Ooh, step right up and get your chilly willy wiggly desserts. Here.
Yes! Oh, Slusho!